Hi again, everybody. It is Friday morning, 27th of August, 2021, bright and early, 5:48 a.m. Astro Excel been pretty much on a target this week, except for that one inversion that we had the other day. When we expected this down move here on the 25th, instead we went up and inverted at the blue line low. Yesterday, following through with that, we're pretty solid. We had the downtrend, then we had the uptrend back up to here, and to see the market turn down right before the green line. Both lines went in sync. We got this down move, and now you can see we're kind of going into a flat line right around the zero line. So we're flatlining here going in to today, and then we peak out on the blue line at about right before the market opens, about 9:10 or so, and then both lines are in sync, stepping down for the afternoon. Let's see what we got going, if there's any windows today. Alright, here's the Vedic chart for today. We've got white A2 window from about 7 till about 11:25 this morning. The key blocks on the A1 panel to isolate that high or low is going to be 7:12 to 7:48, and then we have another small window about 9:23 to 9:30. So it's possible we could have the high or low right at the open today. Looking back, I told you about this A3 window earlier this week, and what we had here right at the beginning of the window, or actually in the second time window, we had the high for the week. So it came in using all three windows connected together. We expected either a major high or low on the A3. We isolate down to the A2, meaning it's going to be either inside the white block or the green block. So we did make a high in the white block, but we made a slightly higher high in the green block right at the beginning of the green block, right before we hit that. We got the actual high. It was a retest false breakthrough of the prior high. So we got that high in, and we came out of there and we traded down, and now we're coming into this next window for today. So we're trading up now. It's possible we trade up and make a new high into that window into this morning, and then as the temperature on the Astro Excel turns, then we head down after that. This fits perfectly into that frame. So now, along with these two triggers, we can take a look at, here with that, you'd also are going to want to use the rainbow and the pH triggers to dial in some turn times with. So I'll give you the rainbow turn times for today, since I haven't given those out this week. So here we go with the rainbow times. We've got a trigger coming about 6:24, 7:12, 8:36, 8:55, 10:44, and the last one for the session would be at 13:56. So the first one fits right inside the early time window between about 7:06 and 7:50. So we've got a rainbow trigger inside that window. Then we have the one at 8:55, and that is going to miss this little window, the one that's around the open. Looking at the pH chart, we have the end of the morning segment at about 10:40, and that's putting us also inside that window right about here at the end of that red segment on A1. So one of those three times there should be key for a significant turning point today. And then remember, after 11:30, we're looking for the downtrend, key off the reversals on the blue line, and that'll keep you with it. So that's it for today. We'll see how we work out here. It's possible, ideally, we trade up, make a high here, and then trade down from this window into the close. It's possible it may invert. We only had the one inversion this week, otherwise the Astro Excel roadmap was on target. So that's it for today. Um, if you recall, we had the August 25th as the turning point I put out a week or a week and a half ago, or maybe even earlier in August. The day I gave out the August swing points for the S&P. So far that high on the 25th is holding. So we'll see what happens here. Over the weekend, I'll give you some turn dates for September, and then we'll see how those play out. So we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Until then, have a good trading day and a great weekend.